Imagine waking up in the morning to see that you've earned money while you were sleeping, all because you promoted products online. This is the power of affiliate marketing, one of the easiest and most effective ways to generate passive income. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning passive income with affiliate marketing step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to create a system that makes you money 24/7. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Every time someone buys a product through your affiliate link, you get paid a percentage of the sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product. You simply partner with companies that already have products and services, and they handle the rest. Step 1 is choosing your niche. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise, and finding the right niche is critical to your success in affiliate marketing. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to build authority and attract the right audience. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's fitness, personal finance, technology, or cooking, make sure it's something you enjoy, because you'll be creating content around it regularly. 2. Check profitability. Use tools like Google Trends or Uber Suggest to see how popular your niche is. Check if people are already making money in that space. 3. Find affiliate programs in your niche. Look for products and services you can promote. You can use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank to find relevant products. Step 2. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate programs to join. Not all programs are created equal, so you'll want to be selective about which ones you promote. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commissions, ideally in the 20 to 50% range for digital products or courses. For physical products, expect commissions to be lower, usually between 3% to 10%. Some programs offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid every month if the customer stays subscribed to a service. These are great for long-term passive income. Make sure the product and company you're promoting have a good reputation. The last thing you want is to promote something that disappoints your audience. Next, you need a platform to promote your affiliate links. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or even a social media account. Your platform will be the home base where you share content and direct people to products you're promoting. Here are the 3 most common ways. 1. Blogging. Start a blog on platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Blogging allows you to create detailed reviews, how-tos, and listicles that incorporate affiliate links. 2. YouTube channel. Video content is extremely powerful for affiliate marketing. You can create product reviews, tutorials, or unboxings, and include your affiliate links in the description. 3. Social media. Use Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest to share quick tips, visuals, and short videos that promote products using affiliate links in your bio or posts. Let me tell you about Sarah. She started a fitness blog and signed up for a few affiliate programs promoting workout gear and supplements. By writing detailed product reviews and sharing workout tips, Sarah built an audience that trusted her recommendations. Fast forward 2 years, and she's now earning over $3,000 a month in affiliate commissions, all while keeping her day job. Sarah's secret? Focusing on products that genuinely added value to her audience and consistently sharing helpful content. Here's how she did it. 1. Sarah started with a blog focused on fitness tips. 2. She joined affiliate programs for workout gear and supplements. 3. By consistently creating valuable content, she built an audience and started earning regular commissions. Step 4. The backbone of successful affiliate marketing is high-quality content. Whether you're writing a blog post, creating a YouTube video, or sharing a product on Instagram, the quality of your content is what will drive conversions. Here are a couple successful strategies. 1. Product reviews. Write or create detailed, honest reviews of products. Share your own experience with the product and explain how it solves a problem for your audience. 2. Comparison posts. Compare different products in the same niche. Help your audience decide which one is best for their needs and include affiliate links to each product. 3. Tutorials and how-tos. People love tutorials. Show them how to use a product or service in a detailed step-by-step guide or video, and make sure to include your affiliate link. Step 5. Even the best content won't generate income unless you have traffic. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is key to earning commissions. Here's how you do it. 1. SEO for blogs. Optimize your blog posts for search engines by using keywords that people are searching for. Tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest can help you find profitable keywords to rank for. 2. YouTube SEO. For videos, use keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Add tags and create engaging thumbnails to improve your video's chances of ranking in YouTube search results. 3. Social media promotion. Share your affiliate content on Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter. Use hashtags to increase reach and engage with communities interested in your niche. Step 6. Once your affiliate marketing machine is running, it's important to track and optimize your performance to increase your earnings. 1. Use analytics tools. Platforms like Google Analytics can show you which content is driving the most traffic and conversions. Affiliate programs also offer dashboards to track clicks and sales. 2. Test different strategies. Experiment with different types of content, promotion methods, and products to see what resonates best with your audience. 3. Optimize your high-performing content. Once you know which posts or videos are driving sales, double down. Update the content, promote it more, and improve your calls to action to maximize conversions. One of the most powerful tools in affiliate marketing is an email list. Building a list of engaged subscribers gives you a direct line to your audience, allowing you to promote affiliate products repeatedly while building trust and long-term relationships. Create a lead magnet. Offer something valuable for free, like an ebook, checklist, or course, in exchange for people signing up to your email list. Use email marketing platforms. Tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy to manage your list, automate email sequences, and track performance. Promote affiliate products through email. Send regular, value-driven emails to your subscribers. Include affiliate links within helpful content, product reviews, or promotions. Step 8. While organic traffic is great, sometimes you want to speed up your affiliate marketing growth. Paid advertising can help you drive more traffic to your content and affiliate links quickly, but it must be done strategically to maximize profits. Start with small budgets. Use platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads to target specific audiences. Start with a small budget to test which ads are most effective. Target high-intent audiences. Focus on people who are actively searching for the products you're promoting. For example, use Google Ads to target search terms like best running shoes review. Track ROI carefully. Make sure you're tracking conversions so you know which ads are generating affiliate sales. If an ad isn't performing, adjust it or pause it to avoid losing money. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly profitable, but there are common mistakes that can slow your growth or even damage your reputation. Avoiding the following pitfalls will help you succeed faster. 1. Promoting too many products at once. Focus on a few high-quality products that are relevant to your niche. Promoting too many can confuse your audience and dilute your credibility. 2. Ignoring product quality. Only promote products you believe in. If you promote low-quality or scammy products, you risk losing the trust of your audience. 3. Neglecting audience engagement. Affiliate marketing isn't just about links. It's about building trust and relationships with your audience. Always prioritize providing value over making a quick sale. Affiliate marketing is an amazing opportunity to build passive income, but it won't happen overnight. The key is to take consistent action, focus on providing value, and build trust with your audience. By choosing the right niche, creating great content, and promoting quality products, you'll be well on your way to generating income while you sleep. Want to learn more about passive income strategies? Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. In our next video, we'll cover another powerful way to make money while you sleep. Don't miss it.